90 billion trees here, made up of some 16,000 species. What if I told you that most of this immense jungle is the end result of an intentional campaign undertaken by humans thousands of years ago? What if I told you the Amazon might have been planted? Researchers have confirmed that during the Ice Age, the Amazon wasn't dense jungle, but grassland broken up by trees. They assumed the warming planet nurtured the sprawling rainforest we see today. But recently, archaeobotanists uncovered something unexpected. Half of the forest is made up of just 1.4% of known Amazonian tree species. The very same species, as it turns out, that happen to be useful to humans. Is this the result of a long-term project set in motion thousands of years ago? A project that would eventually blossom into a widespread indigenous Amazonian civilization? And there's something else. As with Terra Preta, most of these useful trees are found close by the newly discovered ancient cities of the Amazon. Instead of the hostile, dangerous jungle that we Westerners tend to see, they were turning it into a homeland for millions, making the Amazon a god, making it a place that served human needs.
In the 20th century, it was thought that the hinterlands of Amazonia was totally virgin, that the humans did not touch it. And now we know that many of the trees that we have here, Brazil nut, many palms, are semi-cultivated and even cultivated and domesticated, so that our understanding of the forest has changed.
This is truly a scientific project that's been underway in the Amazon for a very, very, very long time. How long exactly? What's really intriguing is that the oldest date for tree cultivation so far found in the Amazon is some 10,800 years ago. That's around the end of the Ice Age, exactly the time that we see similar leaps forward in human civilization and innovation all across the globe. This causes us to ask, what else remains to be found in the vast expanse of the Amazon rainforest that really wasn't supposed to be there, and yet clearly is there? As we saw with the advanced stonework of ancient Peru, these sophisticated agricultural projects and settlements in the Amazon, begun thousands of years ago, seem to demonstrate scientific achievements that are, to say the least, unexpected so long ago. We have to completely reframe our understanding of the Amazon. We have to see it as a product of human intelligence, human initiative, human ingenuity, and human intention. The most astounding example of Amazonian technology may also point to an unexpected source for all this advanced knowledge. I've returned to the Peruvian Amazon to learn more. This is Iquitos, a port city located at a junction where the great river is fed by several tributaries. The port might be young, but this region has, for thousands of years, been a center for a profound cultural practice, the use of ayahuasca. Dr. Luis Eduardo Luna is an indigenous anthropologist and leading expert on this ancient plant-based medicine.
I have witnessed many people taking ayahuasca, and I'm astonished, by the experience. Sometimes extraordinary journeys into other realms. Sometimes simply looking to themselves, finding ways of solving their own problems.
What do you see happening to people? Do you see important changes taking place in their life?
Many people write to me. Those experiences were completely life-changing. Changed completely the perspective.
The use of ayahuasca has recently become popular in our contemporary society. But for indigenous people of the Amazon,